So, hey everyone, welcome back to week 3. I hope everything's going well. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ever reach out to me. You can either reach out to me by email, you can always give me a ring, or you can always request a Zoom meeting. It's up to you guys. It just depends what you prefer. Or you could come in person and check and say hi. But that being said, if you find yourself that you're having any issues with any of your assignments, do not hesitate to reach out to me because this is quick. We're already in week 3, and we're like 3/8 of the way through, not quite half. And but yes, so I'll just quit blabbing about other things and get down to what you're here for. We are doing chapter 4 this week. In chapter 4, it's very important that you guys do these 2 assignments because these 2 assignments are actually going to be part of your slides. So these assignments will be added to your final project. So with your final project in slide number 3, you're going to be discussing the results from Focus 2 and the True Talent Achieve Works personality and the True Talent Achieve Works intelligence. So in other words, your results from the Focus 2, your personality test from the True Talent, and the varied intelligences that are found in the True Talent as well. So that's going to be your slide 3. So it's very important that you guys finish this chapter in particular because it's basically it's kind of graded twice if you think about it. You have the 2 assignments that go with it, but those 2 assignments you just go and copy paste and discuss and reflect on the slide number 3. So there's that. And it's important that you guys get these done. And then there's slide number 4, which is pathways. And if you watch the video that talks about how to do your final project, you'll see that with pathways, you're just looking up the area that you are going to on your degree plan study here at San Jac. So in other words, you look up the degree plan you're looking to do. You copy and paste a snippet of the PDF file that you'll download from that. So those are slides 3 and 4. Again, if you guys have any questions about any of those things, don't hesitate to ask me. All right, so continuing on here. So these assignments will be due February 7th, but the actual slides, remember, are not due until the end of the semester. So you do have some time to do that. So chapter 4, how do we get there? So with course content, we click on that bad boy, and we end up over here in there. So we're no longer in section 1. You graduated to section 2. So you're going to click on section 2, and then you're going to click on chapter 4. And of course, you'll find all the stuff that you normally find, like the PowerPoints here and the actual chapters that are cut up there for chapter 4. So don't forget to look over those. Career Services has a little spotlight thing, a little video that they offer. You may want to look at that because Career Service is really cool. If I can, let me just toot their horns. If you guys are ever interested in finding a job, during your time here at San Jac, I don't know about before, but during or after your time here at San Jac or an internship or anything like that, they help you find it. Not only do they give you access to their materials and their search engines and whatnot that they have special access to through the state, but they also help you through the whole process of finding a job. So they help you find a job. They help you practice interview. They help you get a resume together. They'll even lend you clothing for the interview, and they'll walk you through the whole process. And right now, there are tons of internships and stuff like that are going on. So it's a great time to be looking for a job. When I was in San Jac, I went to San Jac 23 years ago, and it was very different. Nowadays, you guys, if you really want to find something, Career Services can find you something. So you check them out. But let's go to what you guys are here for, and that is to figure out how you're gonna do your assignments. These 2 assignments, I'm gonna go a little bit more in depth than I would normally go, just because they're you have to go and create accounts, and you have to go and do a questionnaire. So assignment number 1, the True Talent Assessment Assignment. Now here you're going to do 2 assessments. You're going to do the intelligences, and you're going to do your personality ones, right? Those are 2 assessments that you have to look into doing. Now, how do we do this? We're going to go over here, and we're going to click on the human sources. And when you click on that, you'll get this website right here. It'll say log in and register a new account, unless you already have an account. So it's probably unlikely that you're going to have an account for this one. You register a new account, and you do that by entering an access key. When you click on that, you're going to copy paste the access key. I'm going to scroll back down here a bit. That's found right here. Make sure you don't put the period in the bottom there, because if not, it's not going to work. So you're going to copy paste that, submit the key, and then it's going to tell you, okay, you're from San Jac. And then you fill out this information. This information I can't fill out for you, but basically you fill it out. You put all these things, the expected graduation year, when do you think you're going to graduate from San Jac? And this is like expected, right? This is not, you may not know yet, but put in a year there. Have you decided have you declared a major? Have you decided on what you're going to study? Yes or no. Answer that. Put your San Jac account or your regular account. It doesn't really matter there. And over here where it says professional, not your San Jac, right? And your group, again, is San Jac. That's it. So your San Jac North. So make sure you get that one in. And read the terms and conditions and save and continue, and then finish that out. You are going to have to do certain things in there. There are more instructions here, and there's another instructions that you can look at as well. But make sure you finish the assessments that they give you. And then when you're finished with the assessments, you'll get a page that shows you your what you got on your assessment, your True Talent Assessment, right? And you're going to look at your results. And that's very important, because you're going to have to take a screenshot of your results to help you do the actual assignment. So when you're ready to do that part, you click on here and you get a download. And it looks like this. It tells you everything over again. You're going to copy paste a screenshot of your results, right? Copy paste your screenshot of your results, put it there, and then and then you're answering these next 4 questions. Again, it doesn't have to be like a 3-page paper, with 3 or 4 sentences. You're good with each one. Make sure here it says 2 to 4 sentences. That's fine. So just answer these. Once you're finished, again, you can always do several things. You can file, save it, and upload it, or you can always copy paste it and do it here. Whatever you prefer to do, you're going to click over here on this red one, this red little thing that says assignment. You can, again, browse your local file and upload it, or you can copy paste it where it says write your submission. You can copy paste the whole thing here. That is up to you, but remember, just super remember that I cannot take Pages or Google Docs or any other of the formats. I need a Word doc or a PDF. You can give me you can do a snippet. You can take a picture. You can do a JPEG, but it has to be a Microsoft format. So whatever you choose to do, it's fine. And then submit. All right. And then once you do that, you did the first one. But here's the thing. You want to keep that information. Because you want to kind of save like this assignment on a side, because you're going to need it for slide number 3, right? And so then you come over here, you did the first part, then the next one is a discussion board. The next thing you're going to do is a discussion board, but that discussion board is linked to focus number 2. Focus number 2 is you'll do your personality and your work interest assignment, multiple intelligence as well. But you do those and you do the same thing, you'll see your strengths and weaknesses. Now, how do you do that? The best way and easiest way for you to get to your Focus 2 is go into your SOS account. So you're going to log into your SOS account. You see it here. Click on there, and then you're going to get banner. You are going to click where it says Students, right? And once you get to Students, you're going to scroll down and go to Career Assessments. Once you click on that, you will get this little thing here. Don't worry about it. Just hit Submit. And then you'll have your assessments. So you can go, you want to do the personality and your work interests. These are the two that are most important for this assignment in particular. And you go and you start it and you take it. And once you get, again, your results, as you can see, mine is my SOS. Once you get your results, you're going to discuss them here on the Blackboard assignment. So here, you see here where it says step 2, then here's where you're going to do the discussion of your Blackboard assignment. So again, you're going to click on this red part. It's going to get you the Blackboard area. You're going to create a thread, right? You're going to go and create a thread, and then you're going to scroll down and fill it out. Don't forget you need a subject, and you're going to fill it out. I always like to do just this and copy paste it. Now, it'll ask you for the PDF to be attached, so you can save your findings as a PDF and attach it through over here. You can also, if you want to, if you prefer to take a snippet or JPEG, you can also just add it like here, right? It doesn't, either way is fine. You can do different things when you add it. The important thing here is that you discuss this and that you have your the results of your assessment, because again, this is one assignment, but for your final project, you're going to need all this information. So once you submit this, remember, you have to reply to 2 other students. Don't forget to do that. Reply to 2 other students. So you have these 2 assignments that you have to do for this week. Let me go ahead and just quickly look over here at the final project and just kind of show you guys in the PowerPoint real quick the slides number 3 and 4. If you saw the video that goes over this, you probably stop it right now, because I already talked a little bit about this. So your results, again, for your Focus 2 and True Talents, you're just going to talk about them. That's it. You're going to discuss your results right here. That's your slide 3. So True Talent Intelligences, personality, your Focus 2 results, right? And make sure you get that in there. For your pathways, it's a little bit more different than that, because what you're going to do here is you're going to find how you're going to find your major, the classes you have to take for your major. Now, I'm not going to go in it in this video. Go ahead and review the video that talks about how to set up your final project, and I show you how to find the pathways there. All right, so because I don't want to make this like a 30-minute video. This is already going to be 20 minutes. So we are going to go back and just kind of look at that. Remember, these are all due on Monday, 11:59 p.m. And again, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out to me. I want to hear from you guys. All right. Adios. See you next week.